Welcome to our channel, where we believe that every home has the potential to be a reflection of your style and personality. If you're looking to revamp your living space or simply add a few finishing touches, you're in the right place. Today, we'll be sharing a treasure trove of home decor ideas that will inspire you to create the cozy, inviting atmosphere you've always dreamed of. In this episode, we'll cover a diverse range of styles and themes, ensuring there's something for everyone. Whether you're drawn to the warmth of rustic decor, the sleek lines of modern designs, or the vibrant colors of bohemian aesthetics, we've curated a collection of tips and tricks to help you every step of the way. You'll discover how to mix and match elements to create a cohesive look that is uniquely yours. We'll also dive into some budget-friendly decor ideas that don't skimp on style. From repurposing old furniture to incorporating handmade crafts, we'll show you how to achieve a stunning look without breaking the bank. Our goal is to empower you to get creative and think outside the box, transforming everyday items into beautiful decor pieces. Throughout the video, we'll share helpful insights on choosing the right color palettes, selecting furniture that maximizes space, and incorporating plants to bring life into your home. Plus, we'll provide practical tips on how to layer textures and patterns for a more dynamic and inviting environment. You'll learn how to create focal points that draw the eye and make your space feel complete. So, whether you're a seasoned decorator or just starting your journey, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and get ready to be inspired. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's embark on this creative adventure together and transform your house into the home of your dreams.